Are you spending valuable time navigating through different menus just to find the reports you need? While your Jira dashboard is a great starting point, a basic view can often lack the vital analytics required for real-time decisions. ActivityTimeline allows you to integrate key reports and charts directly into your Jira dashboard as customizable gadgets. This puts your team's essential analytics right where you need them, enhancing productivity and informed decision-making. Adding an ActivityTimeline report is simple. Just click to add a new gadget, find ActivityTimeline in the list, and select the report you want to display. Our gadgets automatically refresh with the same frequency as your dashboard, ensuring your data is always up to date. Need the very latest numbers? Simply click to refresh each gadget individually for real-time data. But the power of ActivityTimeline goes beyond Jira. Now, if a report is added as a gadget to your Jira dashboard, you can embed it directly into any Confluence page with a single click. Stop hunting for data. Get all the analytics you need right on your dashboard. To learn more, check out more videos on this channel. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support at support@relix.com.